Here I have TOSCIDO M863, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly you have to go to the contacts list, then select contact which you want to add photo, tap on the pencil icon here to edit it, then tap on the camera icon to add photo, or just tap add photo. You can take photo or to select photo from gallery, as I'm going to do. So here you have to select the photo, then you have to adjust it as you see fit, and tap done, and then save. And as you can see, photo to contact added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.